Okay, so let's do some of these level 1 problems. We need a little focus here. There we go. All right, let's take a look. Number 1 is convert 22.3 kilograms to pounds. Okay, first thing you do, write down what you're given. You're given 22.3 kilograms. The next thing you do is set it up to cancel. We know right off the bat that we have kilograms here, so we will put kilograms here. If we look at our conversion chart, I see that, what can I use here? I'll use this. £1 is equal to 0.45, and I'll keep it simple, kilograms. And so this will get us in one step. So 0.45 on the bottom, because those two need to be together, the units and the number, and with £1 on top. I know that those units will cancel, so let me get rid of kilograms with some Algebra 1 rules. Let's put that into the calculator. 22.3 times, no, divided by 0.45 equals 49.56. 49.56. Need a unit. Pounds. I'm not going to pay attention to significant figures at this point because that's more thinking than I want to do. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 is asking us to take 24 liters and convert that to milliliters. Let me make that look more like an arrow. Milliliters. All right, so let's see here. Write down what we're given. We have 24 liters, and we set it up to cancel. If I have liters in the numerator, I need to have liters down here in the denominator to cancel. If I look at my conversion chart, I will see that there is a conversion factor given to us for milliliters and liters. And let us see here. I know that 1 milliliter is equal to 10 to the negative third liters, or I could have said 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. That will give us the same thing. I'm going to use this number on the top. I'll use this factor here. Put 1 milliliter in the numerator, 10 to the negative third in the denominator. Be sure to cancel out those units. We set that up and just simply divide. You can see what that looks like. It is 24 times, nope, I did it again, divided by 10 to the negative third power. That does not look right. But let's see here, 24,000 milliliters. And let me tell you, this is exactly why you want your own calculator that you use on a regular basis, because this can get confusing. All right, let me get this out of the way. Let's take a look at number 3. And this is going to ask you to do some work in scientific notation. So if I take this number here, and if you don't remember, whoops, forgot a 0. If you don't remember, I gave you this symbol that helps me determine how I deal with the exponents. So if I move the decimal to the left, then I need to move the exponent up. If I move the decimal to the right, this way, whoops, then I need to lower my exponent. So what I have to do here is get the number written between 1 and 10. In that case, it's going to be 1.23. In order to do that, I had to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So that's times 10 to the 6th. And since that was to the left, that's up, that's positive, so that's 1.23 times 10 to the negative 6. If we take a look at the next number, it is 2.45 times 10 to the negative third. Okay, and in order to get this exponent to 0, I would need to go up. Okay, and so to do that, I need to go 3 times up to get to 0. So I'm going to move the decimal here 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So what's that going to look like? 0.00245. And every time I move that up over, this exponent will go up 1. And remember, if you take a negative number, going up from 3, negative 3 is negative 2, negative 1, 0, and so that will give us this number here when dealing with scientific notation. And that should be all you need to do these level 1 problems.